Hi guys, this is Rishabh and I will be unboxing and reviewing this iBALL MUSI Boom Bluetooth speaker. It is of 30 watt capacity. Before continuing, I would like to tell you guys that please be safe, stay indoors and don't go out in this pandemic and enjoy my video. So, talking about the box, you can see I ordered this nice green color, military green. It says 20 watt 20 hours backup right there. Coming to the specifications, you can see there's a 30 watt output, playback time of 24 hours at 50% volume, and it weighs around 1.55 kg. It is also IPX7 certified waterproof, so you can submerge it in water till 1 meter till 30 minutes. Here you can see the cost. It's retails at around 14,990, but from Amazon you can get it for 3,500 only. Now the content of the boxes, so you get a nice well strap belt to hang the speaker from these joints right here, so that it's easier to carry. You get a charging brick, 2 ampere. It is of okayish quality, and you get a USB cable right here. The quality is nice, so it's good that they are providing the charger and the cable right here. And you also get this booklet to have all information about the speaker. Now coming right to the speaker, here you go guys. This amazing military green color. It's like really big. You can see my hands are so big, but still it feels big in my hands. So the overall look is like, here you can see the information. It's a nice rugged case for keeping the MUSI Boom branding right there. It actually has this USB port to charge your phone, aux cable, and then a port to charge the speaker. It is well cushioned here to maintain the water resistant capability of the speaker. Coming to the base radiators, these are really amazing. You see how light they are, so the bass output would be good. You can see. Now coming to the top of the speaker, here you can see Bluetooth, TWC to connect two speakers, power on off button, and volume rockers. This all feels rugged. Putting the speaker right here, it will not fall. Now let me show you the sound quality of these speakers. Yeah, so I'll be playing this NCS Hero song.
Maximum volume.
I need you to listen, I need you to hear and enjoy anything. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the world trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
can see the vocals are pretty clear. The bass is deep. You can see the bass radiators moving. Let me play the song again to you so that you can hear the vocals. Here you go, guys. I hope you got a pretty enough idea of how loud and bassy these speakers are. So I'll give up a thumbs up to them, and I'll also make another video after testing them a few more times. But as of now, if you want a decent speaker at only 3500, that is 30 watts, is IPX7 waterproof and also pretty loud outdoors and indoors, so you can definitely search this option at amazon.com. Also, if you want to see the review of the Amrain Fireboom speakers, here they are. So let me know on the comments. I'll definitely bring the video, and this speaker has something special, a special trick. And also, if you want this Honor tab review, let me know. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Take care.